Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Are your hips so rotated that you can't tie your shoelaces? Is sitting down cross-legged a struggle? If you have uneven hips, you are not alone. Rahul has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you will feel with more range of motion. Let's get started. With both feet on your hips area and stretch back. 1, 2, 3. As the tension releases, you may feel a slight pull in your lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time as you bend. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch to the left, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go for it as much as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please bend all the way forward until you feel the stretch at your lower back. 3, 4, 5. Stretch to the left sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1 and forward. 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.